Hey, and welcome. This is Tim Judge. I am the co-host of the Liberty Aid Academy show goes live every Thursday night at 7 p.m. So, of course, I have to give a testimonial. If it's not a testimonial enough that I show up every Thursday night at 7 p.m. to go live with John McKeag, the creator and master and the leader of Liberty Aid Academy, and he has developed and patented and trademarked or whatever it is, the trust that I use to get paid through my real estate office into my trust, into one of these four accounts that I have opened through the specific instructions that John has laid out inside the program. If you can read, cut and paste, add your own information, you can do this. It will take you a matter of days if you want to pace yourself. Otherwise, it can be done in 24 hours or less. It did take me about 48 hours. I was interested in starting. I had a big commission check coming in. I wanted it to go into the trust. I did not want to pay taxes on that money anymore. I've lost a lot of money to taxes in my real estate business, and this makes it super simple to get paid through your trust, to give your income to the trust, and you are the steward of that trust. And it's very important to follow all the instructions and read the information that John gives you. It is super concise, clear, and specific. And if you can follow along, you will be very, very happy. Um, I have, like I said, I have several accounts open. I have two trusts, one in my name and another one that I'm working on building up credit for. And I am just so excited to keep on learning and keep on showing up every week, Thursdays at 7 p.m. live on YouTube. Check out Liberty Aid Academy. I'm there. And I'm also inside the classroom. The classroom is one of the best perks inside the whole program. If you get inside there, the classroom is the best because there are tons of people asking similar questions where you can search for the answers that have happened before. If you don't like it, you can ask it again. And John will be happy to give you an updated answer for you. So, but it's all the information's at your fingertips. There's always someone around to help. The classroom is amazing. The educational part of it, the specific instructions, the step by step process, the cut and paste kind of instructions that you get are just invaluable. So I can't say enough about it. And I do every Thursday night live at 7 p.m. I'll plug it again because I think it's just a great program where you can learn how to do this for yourself and set you and your family free like nothing else can. So please get the trust, get the bundle if you can. You don't have to just get you don't have to get the bundle, but every course that's in there, I do have the bundle. Every course that's in there is just amazing. And it is very, very valuable information, well worth the price. And I tell you, on my first commission deal, I made back in just the saved taxes portion of it, I made back twice, three times my money, almost three times my money on the first deal that I did. But you can start small or whatever it is that you have to do. Just get in there now. I can't say enough great things. And if you want to hear more, stop by Thursday nights at 7 p.m. live on YouTube. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. Good luck. And I'm in the classroom. If you need help, I'm in there. I come in, pop in, have answer questions, and hang out and ask my own questions. So everybody's very helpful in there. We'll see you in there. Thanks.